Hey guys, my name is Callie. I'm a full-time reseller. Today I'm going to do a quick thrift haul. My Poshmark and Instagram are both rebel_rose_co. If you're here today, that really means a lot to me. I really appreciate you clicking on this video. If you could give it a like, a comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, it would mean a lot to me. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So I'm just going to film a quick haul today. So this first item, I wish I'd found this at the beginning of summer. It's this rattan, like, wicker purse. It's like structured. It gives me picnic basket vibes. And it has this, I'm assuming genuine leather, but I'm not sure. Strap, it's like one long one, and so you could use it as one long one or you can use it as two. It has gold detailing here, and it is super clean on the inside, which is nice because I am not a fan of cleaning purses. Okay, so it says Rodo on the inside. I will look that up, but I'm super excited to list this. It feels very, very high quality. Okay, I have two more bags, which is, I don't sell a whole lot of bags. So this is genuine leather. It has no brand, but it's just like this tote bag. And it gives me Madewell vibes because Madewell has tote bags that look a lot like this. It has some pockets on the side, and it has a zippered pocket on the inside. Yeah, I don't see any brand information anywhere. I'll try to look a little more, but anyway, it's 100% genuine leather. Gives me Madewell vibes, so super excited about that. And the last bag is this Michael Kors. It's this like shoulder hobo bag, and it's supposed to be all like slouchy. And I'll insert a stock photo here or a picture. I believe this retailed for $300 something, but it's genuine leather. It's like a white color. It does have some like marks, but honestly not very much. And the inside is like spotless. I don't know if you can see. The inside is very, very clean. Someone took very good care of this bag, which is why I picked it up, because I do not like cleaning bags. So I'm super excited to list this. I don't believe I ever sold Michael Kors on Poshmark. Okay, next is this pair of Schultz shoes. I've only sold this brand one time before. These are in really good condition. The bottoms are like super clean. They look like they've been worn like one time. They're these like open toe, genuine leather heels, so I'm excited to list those. I paid $8 for those, which is a little more than I like to pay for like anything, but I think that they're gonna do well. Okay, next is, this is from sort of a while ago. I went thrifting and I found a ton of Eileen Fisher basics pants, mostly tank tops. I found a ton of white tank tops, and a lot of them had stains, but I've managed to get most of them out. A couple have already sold for like 20 bucks. So this is an Eileen Fisher made in the USA tank top. All of them had like very light stains. Like I didn't even notice until I was ready to take pictures of them under my bright light, but I stain treated them anyway. And yeah, I'll have to look again when I photograph this, but it looks like it's in really good condition. And I have tons of other ones listed in my closet as well. Okay, next is a brand that I don't normally pick up, but I picked up due to style and material content. It's Max Jeans. It's very faint. I don't know if you'd even be able to see that, but it's 100% tencel, which is a great sustainable material. It's like a utility vest. It's kind of draped. These were super in the last couple years. Probably a little less this year, but it's still really nice, and I love anything tencel. This is also 100% tencel. It's just Chico's, but it's these like tan, like high-waisted pants, and they're skinny, and they just would be great for work, for casual, they're very versatile, so I picked those up mostly because they were tencel. Okay, next is this Calvin Klein dress. I don't usually pick up Calvin Klein. I have sold a couple dresses for a decent amount, but this was a very neutral leopard print, and I thought this was just super cute. Great for work, great for whatever. Okay, this is just a Lucky brand, size medium. This is like a boho peasant floral print. Super cute, kind of sheer, just like a basic top. The next item is Ellie Tahari. I think I picked this up like one time before, but it's 100% silk, and it's this like cute like abstract artsy print, which is why I picked it up. Mostly because it was 100% silk, but I just thought this was a cute piece. We have a Theory size small. Theory sells okay. This is just like a basic scoop neck shirt, so maybe like 20, 25, but that's okay. And then we have another Eileen Fisher, size extra large. And these are all organic cotton. I believe they all are. I'm not sure about the other one, but all of the ones that I've listed so far are organic cotton, and they've all been size large, extra large. Okay, these I thought were really interesting. These have no tags anywhere in them. They are like these high waist, super high waisted, like trouser shorts, and they button, but yeah, they're super high waisted. There's no tags anywhere, but they feel like wool, and this just gave me like very Y2K vibes. So I picked this up just based on style. Okay, I have a couple scarves. I don't normally pick up scarves, mostly because I tend to pick up the same kind of things. This is Ann Taylor, but which is not a brand I usually pick up, but it's 100% wool, made in Italy, and it's a great tan camel brown neutral color. It has some fringe. Definitely pick this up based on style and material content. This, not super sure about it. Okay, it's made in Great Britain for Liberty House, and then over here it says made in Scotland. It's mohair and new wool. This is the tag. It's very, like, you can see right through it. And I just realized there's one small hole, but this was like less than $1. That's why I picked it up. It's plaid, so I'm gonna have to do some research on this. All right, this next one is Cashmere, Silk, and Viscose. I do not see a brand on it, but it is this like paisley print. It's like a deep purple color, which I think is great for fall. It has some fringe that's yellow and black, but it sort of looks gold. I just thought this was nice, and it's silk and cashmere, so I'm gonna try these scarves out. I really don't sell a lot of scarves, if any ever actually. So we're gonna see how those do. Okay, next item this is Eileen Fisher. This one was a little confusing to me. Okay, so there's a hole here. It looks like it could maybe be a V-neck, and I think it's like a poncho, but I don't know. This doesn't, I'm not sure. Like when you lay it out, it doesn't really look like a poncho, but anyway, it's a linen blend, Eileen Fisher. So yeah, there's no like armholes or anything. So I think it goes like this. Not sure, we'll see. This one, I picked it up just because it was super cheap. I never pick up Dress Barn, so this is just Dress Barn, but it was less than $1, that's why I picked it up. But it's new with tags. It's a, sorry, it's a basic white tank top, and it retailed for $44.95. I thought that was crazy. I thought Dress Barn was like a cheap brand. I guess not. $45 for like a polyester tank top. So yeah, I just got that because sometimes I like having new with tags items in my closet. This is one of the best items and the last item. So this is the brand Tallulah Babaton. This is sold at Aritzia. I thought that these are separate like off brands or whatever, because I've sold Tallulah and Babaton before, but separately, or I've seen them before. But this is like a wool, I believe it's wool. So I could double check that. It's wool and cashmere. It is a long peacoat, very high quality, great condition, has pockets, just like a basic fall winter piece. And this is an expensive brand, so I'm super happy to pick that up. Yeah, that's it for the haul video. So if you could give this video a like, a comment, subscribe if you aren't already. And yeah, let me know if you guys are liking these videos, like haul videos, if you're looking for me to make a different kind of video. Yeah, just let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.